All right, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we are going to be extracting red dirt from Hawaii out of an area rug from the house. And anybody that's been to Hawaii knows that that red dirt gets all over everything and it's very difficult to get out. We're going to be using the Bissell Spot Clean Pro. We've used this in the past. I've made a video about it, a full review. I'll put a link up here if you want to check that out. But today is just going to be straight to extracting that red dirt out of the carpet. So let's talk through the process real quick. We're going to start off by vacuuming with our Cox vacuum hose reel. It's powered by the rigid portable vac. And I'll tell you what, every time I vacuum, it's a real treat with this thing. Look at that suction. Man, it's actually hurting my knuckles. It's pulling so hard. That'll get all that sand out of the rug. Any loose particles will just be gone. Once we get it vacuumed up, then we're going to come back and hit it with some super clean. We're going to do about a 3-to-1 dilution ratio, and I have it in a garden sprayer today because I want to be able to get a much larger area rather quickly. If I was in a car and I was going for accuracy, I'd be using a spray bottle. This probably get it all over the place. We don't want that. Once we get the product down onto the carpet, we're going to try our drill brush. Now, we use this quite a bit on nasty situations, but you got to be careful. These rugs are kind of old. I don't want to be ripping the rug to bits. I know a lot of people on the internet, the first thing they do is jump on there and just start grinding, and man, all you're doing in a lot of cases is just tearing your carpet to bits. We don't want that. We'll play it by ear. If it's working great, we're going forward with it. If it's not, we're backing off and putting this thing away. All right, once we get it all drill brushed up, then we're going to hit it with the Bissell Spot Clean Pro. Today we're going to try the larger nozzle. I haven't tried this one yet, so I don't know how it's going to work, but I'm imagining on a larger surface, larger nozzle, it's just going to make work a lot quicker, a lot easier. If we're not happy with it, we'll jump to the Old Faithful. We know this one works, and we'll get the job done with this. So without any further delay, I say we hop on that rug and get that red dirt out of there. All right, let's get after it. We'll start by cleaning up the area. Because we're going to spray our cleaner on through the garden sprayer, we'll just put straight water inside the Bissell. We'll use the vacuum to get off any dirt or debris that can be easily picked up. Because of the heavy soiling on this rug, we're going to give it a hard soaking with the super clean. Then we'll follow up with the drill brush. I can already start to see that this drill brush is starting to pull some fibers out of the carpet, so this will be the last panel we hit with this. And we'll give that large extractor head a go. Man, I gotta say, it's just not pulling it up like I want to. Yeah, there is some dirt coming out, but that small one just gets such good action. We'll give this a little try, and if not, we're gonna move over to the little one. Yeah, the little one just gets instant results. I feel like at this rate we're going to have half the island in this extractor. I know some people are probably watching thinking, why isn't this guy using a carpet cleaner? Well, I did want to test this product to the fullest, and I felt like a dirty house rug is a good way to do it. there it is, the island of Oahu in a bucket. After the rug is completely dry, I like to follow up with a vacuuming to try to organize the fibers in the rug. All right, that Bissell Spot Clean Pro did some magic again today. I'll tell you what, it made small work of pulling that nasty red dirt straight out of that carpet. I gotta say, man, this machine is super killer. I like it a lot. I did find out something today that I hadn't noticed before. This larger nozzle, when I tried to use it initially, I figured larger nozzle, bigger carpet, let's see what happens. I just wasn't getting that action that I'm used to seeing, the dirt, the product, and all the water coming back up. I was working kind of hard to get a little bit of action. You know, rather than sit there and toy with it for a half an hour, I switched back to the go-to nozzle, the small one, and man, it worked outstanding. So I'm gonna revisit that, put a little bit more work on there. But for now, this small one works so good. And usually in a detailing, we're in those tight areas, working those corners and stuff to where the small one's better anyway. And with a normal size rug, man, this was small work with this, even the small one. And doing spot cleaning, which this is designed to do, a small one's gonna get that spot right up. So I did find that out. So let's have a look at the difference between before we started and after we completed the extraction. Man, what a difference. So if you like this video and you want to see more videos like it, let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss another video, and it helps support the channel. And we appreciate it. So we'll see you on the next one. Yeah.